Hello, my name is MUHAMAD SYAQIRIN bin SURI and my matric number is 01DKA19F1083. Today I would like to talk about liquid density using hydrometer and thermometer. First, water. Fill the measuring cylinder with water from the tap until maximum radius. 2. Very carefully place the hydrometer into the cylinder until the block reaches near to bottom of the cylinder. Do not drop the hydrometer into the measuring cylinder. 3. Never gently release the hydrometer and let it settle in its free state. When the liquid surface becomes clean, read and record the hydrometer reading. Next, carefully take out the hydrometer, clean it and place it back into its casing. Next, using a thermometer, record the water temperature. Next, empty the measuring cylinder, click up and tie up. After that, test liquid. Repeat step 1 to 5 with any other 2 test liquid. Record the container marking of the test liquid respectively. Next, pour the liquid back into the container. And last one is clear up and date up.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad SHAHMI RAMLI. My matric number is 1102. Today I want to talk about the experiment and direct method. For the water, hydrometer reading is 1 and temperature is 27. For the liquid B, hydrometer reading is 0.85 and temperature is 30. For the liquid C, 0.68 and the temperature is 28. For the water, hydrometer reading is 1, density water is 1000 and temperature reading is 27. For the liquid B is the hydrometer is 0.85, density is 850 and temperature is 30. For the liquid C, hydrometer is 0.98 and for the density is 918 and for the temperature is 28. For the table, we can see the temperature is 27 and density is 996.89.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, before I start, I would like to introduce myself first. So my name is Muhammad AFIQ AIMANUDDIN bin Alman and my matric number is 01DKA90F11111 and I am from group D. So I will present about hydraulic laboratory, fluid characteristic, determination of fluid density by using method density bottle. So we start with the procedure for density bottle. First, we need to prepare a density bottle, electronic balance, hydrostatic pressure apparatus, steel ruler, weight, and the last one is beaker. Okay, so we start with the first one. We have to record the capacity of each density bottle. weight each empty density bottle together with the respective stopper. Take note of each reading. Okay, number 3, fill out 2 bottles with the same test liquid until full. Place the stopper, wipe dry the ethanol of the bottle. Okay, number 4, weight the bottle filled with liquid and take note of the reading. Number 5, pour the liquid back into the container, empty the bottle and dry the inside and internal bottle surface. Number 6, repeat step 3 into step 5 for another test liquid. And we repeat again for from step 3 to 4 with tap water. And the last one, we pour the water clean up and tidy up. So we go to the data. Okay, there is data for density bottle. We have 3 experiment objects. First, water, liquid B, liquid C, and bottle. We made 2 experiments, and so we get weight for empty bottle. For water, 34.72, 35.4. So, and we get weight for filled water and weight and mass of water. And the last one, we get volume of water for 3 of liquid, water, liquid B, and liquid C. So we go to the another data. Okay, for the we made 2 tests for every liquid, such as test 1 and test 2 for water, test 1, test 2 for liquid, and the last one, test 1, test 2 for liquid C. So we get weight mass for every bottle with empty bottle, filled bottle, and mass water, and also the last one is volume of water. It's same for 2 others liquid. So we go to the another calculation. Mass of liquid we get, and we calculate, we get this. For volume of liquid we get this. Density of liquid we get this, and we calculate the average of density. So that is data for 3 liquids: water, liquid B, and liquid C. So we know that liquid C is very weight, and water and liquid B is same for average density. So that's all from me. So my friend will continue with another methods. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Muhammad HAREEZ bin JESNI. My registration number is 01DKA19F1110. I'm continue with hydrostatic pressure method. First, for procedure using hydrostatic pressure apparatus. Step 1, note the apparatus setup, familiarize with the part of the apparatus, and set the apparatus horizontally by adjusting the lever foot screw of the device. Step 2, the hydrostatic concept. Step 3, measure the length A, B, D, and L. Step 4, place the empty weight hanger at the end of the balance arm and adjust the counterbalance to set the balance arm horizontally, matching with the beam level indicator. This is the start of the experiment. Do not adjust the counterbalance after this. Step 5, add a weight of 50 G onto the weight hanger. Step 6, add the water slowly into the prospect tank with the aim to rebalance the arm of the equipment. Take note of the water depth Y from the base of the flat vertical surface as the first experimental reading. Step 7, Repeat the step 5 and 6 with an additional 50g mass and note the water depth as the second reading. Step 8. Repeat until all 5 test results have been obtained. Step 9. Reduce weight by 50g. Rebalance the arm by slowly discharging water from the tank. Take note of the depth of water, which is Y. Step 10. Repeat step 5 until only the hanger is left on the balance arm. Step 11. Remove the hanger. Discharge the water from the perspex tank. And the last step, dry up and tidy up. Okay, for the experimental data, first we got mass of hanger in gram. Test 1, 50 gram. Adding up in the water depth, Y, mm. Adding up 47. Reducing down 47.5. Average 45.5. Test 2. Mass of hanger 100. Adding up 65. Reducing down 65 and average 65. Test 3. Mass on hanger 150. Adding up 81.5. Reducing down 82 and average 80. Test 4. Mass on hanger 200. Adding up 95. Reducing down 94 and average 93.5. And for the last test, mass on hanger, we got 250. Adding up 107. Reducing down 108.5 and average 100. Reducing down 166.5 and average 106. For we changed to from gram to kilogram. Here we got the in gram of the test from test 1 until test 5. For calculation after the experimental, we got this, the result of the experiment until test 1 until test 5.